Hello dear viewers, in today's video we will talk about how to create Gmail account without phone number. So guys, watch video complete, don't skip any part of the video and get all steps how to create Gmail account without mobile number. So guys, follow all these steps, search a Google account, sign up Gmail ID in the Chrome or any other browser, then click on first link of the Google. After that, it's shown the screen on the screen that's shown. So guys, follow all these steps carefully and create your own Gmail account without mobile number. So guys, I requested to our viewers, if you do not subscribe my channel yet, to please subscribe my channel first and press bell icon and on all notification button for receiving all notification of all upcoming videos in the future. So guys, after completing first steps, complete this Gmail account form: first name, last name, date of birth and gender. So dear friends, follow all these steps carefully. I fill this form. So guys, some mistakes make. So guys, first of all, you can select your date is here, month, date and year. I make some mistake that shows please enter valid date. Without valid date, it's not continue to the next step. And after completing this carefully, it's shown the next, and now it's time to choose a username for your Gmail ID. I choose this chart name and Google suggests this username of the Gmail ID. I select this one and now create strong password is here. You can see what is the strong password for the Gmail ID. So follow all these instructions shown on the screen to create your password carefully. So dear guys, I put this as simple and then Google show the requirement of the strong password. Please choose a strong password. Try a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So guys, I put this password again with the strong keys. So guys, if you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel first and press bell icon for getting all notification of all upcoming videos. You can see now it's all about to end and our Gmail ID created successfully. Now click on yes, I am in and log in your Gmail ID and your device. So guys, you can see on the screen it's shown save password and it's created of the Gmail ID successfully. Now I show you that this is the Gmail ID that created